I've entirely rearranged the compass motor. So the magnets are up on top. This is the north end. And you'll see they swing quite freely. They'll swing about 11 times, almost 11, 10 or 11 times with all this stuff on them. And they're hung by a fishing swivel. That's a 78-pound fishing swivel on top. So you can see there's no motor up here or anything. And if you look down, this is where there's a U-coupling, a shaft. The shaft is connected to a hub. The hub fits inside this box, which is connected to the axle, which is connected to the flywheel. And there's a bearing here, and a bearing here, and a bearing here. And there is no bearing on top except for the fishing swivel. So this is run by an Arduino Nano with a MOSFET, and there's an 9-volt, an N20 motor in here, and the 9-volt battery up here. This is a Rayovac Fusion 9-volt battery, so it's the only kind of battery that will fit in this battery holder that I designed and 3D printed with my A1 Mini. And also, it has a lot of power. So it really lasts a long time, and it runs with a very high amount of power. So I'm getting this to go very, very fast with only, now you'll see on top, it's only got 4 magnets. These are 1-inch diameter by 1-inch neodymium N50 magnets. And I have them in this thing I printed. I 3D printed with my A1 Mini. Bamboo Lab A1 Mini, of course. And let me give it a shot and see how it runs.